Hi, I'm Tony Hampson and I'm the Managing Director for Leadec in the UK and our engineering business, Elmleigh. I'd like to give you a quick tour of what we do at Leadec and what our engineering business, Elmleigh, do for our customers and what we do with our staff. Here in our Coventry facility, we do the manufacture of almost 1 million wheel and tyre assemblies for some of the biggest premium car producers here in the UK. We have our own dedicated engineers capable of installing and maintaining production equipment for the manufacturing industry.
Hi, I'm Nahal, HR Business Partner, and I'm part of the support function team at Leadec Central Services. We do everything needed to support our colleagues in delivering the best service to our clients for all people-related issues, as well as HR projects. More recently, we supported a large TP transfer to our logistics and line feed operation at JLR Castle Bromwich, where we welcomed 135 new colleagues to the Leadec family.
Hi, I'm Fraser. Did you know here at Elmleigh, Leadec's projects and engineering business, we do the design, installation and maintenance of systems and machinery for some of the UK's largest food and logistics companies. And every year we have a number of apprentices being trained to be the engineers of the future.
Hi, I'm Beth. I'm the Waste Sustainability and Environmental Apprentice here at Leadec. We do a fully supported approach to waste management and recycling for customers, utilising our WR1 software and reporting tool. Our approach takes the challenges of waste management and turns them into potential income streams while supporting and developing our customer CSR performance.
I hope that we have managed to show you what Leadec and Elmleigh are capable of doing, whether it's technical cleaning, waste management, engineering maintenance or project works. We are a company that focuses on delivering the best hard and soft services within manufacturing, logistics and warehouse environments. We deliver this by working closely with our suppliers who support us in bringing new products and services to our customers, such as this video that Commercial, one of our main suppliers, has made for us. But most importantly, it's the quality, dedication of our people that make us different. So, what can we do for your business?